Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we will take a closer look at two popular options for those in need of compact laundry solutions: the Mihiki portable washing machine and the Elevon QD Mini PWMGY1G. We'll compare their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Mihiki portable washing machine offers a generous 13L, making it ideal for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Elevon QD Mini PWMGY1G has a smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds, which may limit its usability for bigger items. If you frequently wash larger quantities, the Mihiki may be the better choice. In terms of features, the Mihiki stands out with its foldable design and 3 washing modes, allowing for versatile washing options. On the other hand, the Elevon QD Mini PWMGY1G includes a spin dryer function and a rotary timer controller, which can be very convenient for users looking for a 2-in-1 solution. Depending on your laundry needs, one of these features may be more appealing than the other. When it comes to operation, the Mihiki features a user-friendly push-button control, making it easy to operate. However, it requires the water temperature to be below 60 degrees. In contrast, the Elevon requires manual water filling, which may be less convenient for some users. Consider how you plan to use the machine when evaluating these operational differences. In conclusion, both the Mihiki portable washing machine and the Elevon QD Mini PWMGY1G offer unique advantages for portable laundry needs. The Mihiki excels in capacity and versatility, while the Elevon provides a compact 2-in-1 solution with a spin dryer. Depending on your specific requirements, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.